the front foot now. This is your 18 putting there. And then the front foot will be up on 30. The front foot will be pulled up with back. The front foot will be back to the outside.